Alright, welcome to these videos on quadratic equations. Now, instead of a line, which would be this, remember that's linear, now we're going to have this, ax squared plus bx plus c. This is quadratic. And the shape of the graph is called a parabola. Opens up if A is positive, opens down if A is negative. A, B, and C from up here are just coefficients. And are used to find the following. Axis of symmetry. Minimum and maximum. Oops. Factors and roots. So we're going to focus first off on the top two here, axis of symmetry and minimum and maximum. And those actually are pretty simple to calculate. So let's start with the axis of symmetry. Defined as x equals negative b over 2a. It's the vertical line that splits parabola in half. So let's say we have y equals 5x squared plus 10x minus 6. Remember, it's always in this form. So I'm just going to substitute into here. X equals negative 10 over 2 times 5. Which goes negative 10 over 10, which is negative 1. That's all you have to do to find the axis of symmetry. To find maximum or minimum. You're only going to have one or the other. You're not going to have both on one parabola. First, determine axis of symmetry. Then, sub that value of x into equation to determine y. So we're going to take the same parabola that we just did. Y equals 5x squared plus 10x minus 6. Remember, we found that x equaled negative 10 over 2 times 5, which was negative 1. We're going to take this and put it back in up here. So I get y equals 5 times negative 1 squared plus 10 times negative 1 minus 6. Negative 1 squared is just 1, so this is y equals 5 times 1 plus 10 times negative 1 minus 6. So y equals 5 minus 10 minus 6. 5 minus 10 is negative 5. Negative 5 minus 6 is negative 11. So my point is negative 1 comma negative 11. And A is positive. Point is a minimum. So remember, if A is positive, it looks like this. There's my minimum. Let's say we had y equals negative x squared minus 4x plus 3. Well, x equals negative b over 2a. So we have negative 4 over 2 times negative 1. 4 over negative 2, which equals negative 2. So y equals negative 2 squared minus 4 times negative 2 plus 3. Negative 2 squared is 4 minus 4 times negative 2 plus 3. Always remember your PEMDAS. So I have negative 4 plus 4 times 2 is 8 plus 3. Negative 4 plus 8 is 4 plus 3. I get 7. So my point here is negative 2 comma 7. And A is negative. Point is maximum. Because remember, the negative is going to look like this, and there's my point. And that's first part of parabolas. So next video we're going to actually get into the factoring stuff. And I know that's one that students always have questions on, so we're going to take a lot of time on that one. So I'll sign off for now, and I'll see you in the next one.